there, I'm Haley with Jason Learning, and I'm here with Dr. Natalie Nagalingum, and we're going out to look for ferns and do what you do. Can you tell us kind of a little bit what we're going to do here, what to expect?
Yeah, so what we're going to do is walk around and see what ferns are growing in the forest. So we're going to look at boulders, we're going to look on logs, we're going to look along the stream, and there's going to be lots of species, and so the goal is to collect as many species as we can. Do you see those? These are really, really tiny. They're 1 cell layer thick. It's pretty amazing.
It's adorable.
So yeah, so you can have like really, really tiny ferns, and then you can have like really enormous tree ferns. So there's a huge diversity in size. This is kind of really easy like fern collecting, where you just like get it, put it in a baggie, and that's it.
And what are you doing when you're looking at them up close like that?
So I'm looking for the reproductive structures, and that helps us identify what species it is in a lot of cases and what group it's from. I need the hand lens to actually look at the reproductive structures.
So why study ferns?
I love ferns. I think they're just beautiful plants. But ferns, in terms of biodiversity, there are about 12,000 species of ferns.
Whoa!
So they're really important to the living biodiversity on planet Earth.
And they all look so different.
Yeah,
they're beautiful.
Yeah, you can have like really tough leathery ones, and you can have really delicate lacy ones. So there's a lot going on with ferns, like where they are in the canopy, how they've adapted to different parts of the forest. So we can study their evolution and study the evolution of rainforests as well.
So Natalie, thank you so much for taking us out to look at all the ferns. And can you give us a little recap of kind of what we did, what we saw?
Yeah, so we did a lot of walking, and we stopped at lots of boulders and cliff faces and trying to find ferns. We've collected some ferns. You can see we have some here and some in tiny little packets. So we had big ferns and little ferns, and then we're going to go back to base camp and press them for the museum.
Awesome. Well, we'll try and catch up with you when you go press them.
Sure,
Go
see you
ferns.
then.